divide u prime is 0.1. What do I have where u prime needs to be living? I have 0.1 p. And what do I want? 0.1. So what can I do with that p? Gesundheit. Well, if I just yank it out, do I have what I want? Yeah. So if I just pull the p out, I will have what I want, which is this, right?
Wasn't it? Wait, 0 the original one?
Oh, it's 10% compounded interest, so that's 0.1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It says 0, like,
Oh God, it sure does. What's your name again?
Riley.
Riley. Are you, is it Leigh?
Yeah.
Awesome. Extra credit for Riley. Yeah. Okay, groovy. Sorry about that. Groovy. So let me rewrite this sucker the way it's supposed to look. So I have P 0.1 E times, or raised to the 0.1 n with respect to n. So when I integrate, what do I have, guys? S equals what? P E to the 0.1 n plus some constant associated with integration. So far, so good? Yeah? Okay. It was crucial to know that p is a constant in this case, right? Our only variable is n. So that's the only thing we have to worry about. What's my nugget? It wasn't explicit, it's implicit, so you have to figure it out yourself.
It's double.
What's double?
We have to double the amount.
That's part B.
Okay.
But before we do that, we have to get our actual formula. So what do we know? We're investing P dollars, right? So at the moment of investment, how much money do you have? P dollars. So if n equals 0, S equals P. The future value is what you have right now at the moment you've invested it. So far, so good? So this is the kind of critical thinking you guys are going to have to exercise. Groovy. Just think about it in common sense terms. The moment you invest, how much money do you have? P dollars. So that's where n equals 0. So now we just substitute it in. So we're going to plug in P for S. And we're going to take a value of 0 for n, and we're going to solve for k. Lovely. What's 0.1 times 0? And e to the 0 is 1. And p times 1 is? So p plus what equals p? Good. K sub s equals 0 here. You must go through the motions, chickens. You have to. So now my full formula is s as a function of n equals p e to the 0.1 n. And that's your answer for part A. But we're not done, are we? Because part B says, how long does it take for this to double? And if we're looking for a time, what value are we looking for? P, S, N? What are we looking for here?
P.
P is the amount of money invested. So if I'm asking for a time, it's not going to be P. Elena?
Isn't it 2p equal to?
Yes, because if we're looking for the time it takes to double, we need to solve for n, number 1. But we can recognize that after the money has doubled, your future value is twice what you started with, right? So S is going to equal 2p in this instance. You guys with me? Okay. So if S equals 2p, then I can say 2p equals PE to the 0.1 n. And what can I do to both of those p's?
Divide them by p.
Yeah, if I divide by p on both sides, they're going to cancel, right? So I'm left with 2 equals e to the 0.1 n, which still leaves us the problem of solving for n. But there's something on your tattoo that can help you, Justin. I would flip that sucker over if I were you. Not that. Yeah. Okay. How do we use our tattoo to solve for n? There's something on there that can help you guys. What do you
Take
think?
the natural log.
Yes. I love you. If I take the natural log of both sides. Oh, man. What does this entire side go to, guys? What's the natural log of e to the anything? Simplify to. What?
0.1.
Yes, 0.1 n. Very good. Alex? Yeah, nice job, Alex. So now I have the natural log of 2 over here equals 0.1 n. So now, how do I solve for n?
Divide both sides by 0.1.
Divide both sides by 0.1. Very nice. And that'll cancel. And we're gonna get n equals, oh, I don't know, natural log of 2 divided by 0.1, which is, I don't know, 7 and change years. 7 point something years. So it'll take us about 7 years for this principal to double at 10% interest. How do you guys feel? The tattoo is powerful, but you gotta know where to look for the stuffs. Right, Benjamin? You gotta know where to look for the stuffs. Any questions on this one? Seriously, this was the toughest one I've thrown at you guys so far, because it kind of came out of left field. So tell me where you lost your mind. Tell me where I lost you up on the board, if you haven't done it yourself. Talk to me.
Can you explain the concept of 2 is equal to e over and then the ln stuff?
This stuff right
Yeah,
here.
when it falls.
So how did I get from here to here? Is
Yeah.
that what you're wondering?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I would have
so-
got lost there.
Okay, so you guys all see on your tattoo where that is, right?
Yes.
The natural log of e to the x is just x. So I want you to grab your calculators and you can discover for yourself why it's true. It's gonna be hard for you because you have the
Yeah.
the recorder. Do you want me to hold on to it while you do it?
Yeah.
Or you can just pause it for a second, because